Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change model in Perplexity AI. So first what you need to do is basically visit Perplexity AI, or so your profile icon, basically your login or sign up to your account. It's the same for the mobile app. Then what you are going to do is you will see here new chat, and you will see here at the right side of this prompt, so space where you put your prompt in, you will see at the right side here some button model. Now if you click here, you will see that you have a few options. So Sonar, GPT, Gemini, Cloud Sonnet, Cloud Opus, Nemotron, and yeah, now you see that I have this locked. So you can figure it out that you will need basically a pro version of Perplexity. So you will also need to upgrade a plan here to get access to those different models. Now I can just go through these different models. So Sonar is default basically. It's balanced, fast, and web optimized model. Then you have here GPT 5.4, best for complex reasoning and logics. Gemini, pretty much best for processing large amounts of data or long documents. Then we have here Cloud 4, best for creative writing, long form content, and coding. And yeah, then we have also the Neomotron, which is also like a cloud. Now, when you select the model, then when you start typing here and put in the basically prompt, it will Perplexity use that model which you have selected. And this is pretty much everything in this video, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.